Okay, so my dad ordered the pumpkin toffee soy wax candle, and this one says cozy on the wick, which I love. Very sweet. Okay, so let's get that one wrapped up. So he's sending this off to one of his friends. Um, he's going through something right now, so that's awesome. Thanks, Dad, for your order. Not like he watches YouTube, but hey, someday he might. Perfect. Beautiful. A nice fall wrap. Get us a sticker. And then we're going to wrap her up this paper. So this is the only thing that he ordered for her. So the box is the appropriate size. And then I'm probably going to throw in something else. Let me see what we're going to do. Grab a restoration sticker. Oh, I know what a good question is. So Halloween is coming up. Drop a comment and let me know your favorite Halloween candy. That's a tough one. My husband loves all candy. He is indiscriminate. Here's the funny thing. He doesn't like black licorice, but if it's the only candy available, he will eat it. You know, most people are very like, nope, absolutely not going to eat it. But that's how much he loves candy in general. So I think that's awesome. Good for him. It's interesting. So I'm going to put in candle care, my candle care instructions. I'm also going to do, because I know it's from my dad and I know the sentiment of this gift, I'm going to put in this sticker that says the good things life are better with you. I think that's very sweet. Let me find. With God, all things are possible. Love that one. And then I think you can do this. Think that. Um, and then maybe my cup overflows because I just think that's very sweet. So these are the stickers that I'm going to put in there. Now my dad, so the Etsy shop, you know, you can fill out a form and put a note from from an individual, like for the card. So I'm going to put that in there. But my dad also wrote a note from himself. He thought it was going to the individual who's receiving it, but it actually goes to me. So it's the note from buyer situation. So I'm actually going to sit down, write that card out for him, and then I'll be back and we'll put it in there. Okay, so I have made a note. I love this. I think it's very sweet. I wrote what my dad wrote in the card, and I put the actual, there's a gift portion for Etsy that I put in there. And then I'm going to send her one of these in case, you know. Actually, I'm actually not going to send one of these because, well, I guess I'll just send it. Yeah, I'm going to do it because it says at the bottom, wishing you all the peace, love, and relaxation your heart desires. And I think that's pretty sweet. So this lady's name is Bonnie. And then, perfect. Let's make sure that is dry enough. I love that. Okay. So then we're going to put all of her cards together. It kind of gives it away when it says candle care card, but you know, you got to have it. You have to have the instructions on how to take care of your items, so, but that's okay. And then I'm going to put this here and get us a clip. This one says love. I like that. This one's so cute. It's a coffee. Whoever comes up with these ideas is a genius. Okay, so how's she gonna work, y'all? How is she going to work? Oh, she's not gonna work because my hands don't work much anymore. There we go. But it's only on those. Let's get it on the back. Perfect. Okay, very cute. Oh, that's very sweet. Okay, so now we're going to come over here. We're going to stick this down in here. We're actually going to do it this way. Like that. I am going to put a little stuffing in here just because we don't have anything else going on in there. And I'm going to put her in this way, which is typically how I package one candle. But then let me think what I'm going to put in here for her. Let's see. I could make a thank you lip balm. Or I could just put lip balms in here because she didn't order it. So I don't want it to be like, you know, weird. I think I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to put in a sweet peach and a raspberry. And just tuck those down in here as a gift. Perfect. And then maybe a little bit of stuffing on the top. That this paper, this brown paper that I wrap the candles in, does such a good job. You really don't need any more stuffing, but like the space between the box and the jar could make something shift around. It's not likely, but it could. Okay, this one doesn't need a receipt because it was a gift. And then I just need to make sure that I send it to the right address. And then this one is all set to go. And then we just have to put our fancy packing tape on it. Okay, and then the last one's super simple because it's going in a bag. It's local. And this one's from the Black Canyon shop. So this is a tumbler, a custom tumbler that I made for one of my friend's moms to give away. She needs it as a gift. And the only information I got was blue and her name on it and glitzy. And glitzy to me means glitter. So, oh heavens, I have the worst time. They're the best stickers ever, but my fingers don't do what I tell them to do. These ones are from Sticker Mule, so I highly suggest you check them out if you're looking for some custom stickers. Although there are probably better deals out there, these are really good quality. So I always just stick my sticker on there, black for Black Canyon. I typically do black bags for both shops and just do a different sticker. Sometimes I do white for Restoration Soap and Candle. So that's that. And in there for the gift, I'm going to do, what am I going to do? So first of all, I'm going to get a card for the Black Canyon shop. So this is the Black Canyon shop card now, the thank you card. And on the back, I wrote the same thing, but just a little bit different. So this is going to, her name is Shown. And there's that. So that's that. And we got to get our stickers because everybody gets stickers. So let's see. And I'm not sure if this is a present for a birthday or anything like that, but the stickers are actually for Shown and not for the person. So I like make yourself proud. Never forget how wildly capable you are. That is awesome. I need to have that tattooed on my body somewhere. Like on this arm. I have this tattoo to remind me that God turns shame into glory. And then I just need the other one because there's a lot of doubt still in my life. And then I like grace changes everything. Yep. Okay. That works for me. So there's that. we got that and that. We don't have a receipt because it was word of mouth. We do need a cup care instruction card, and that should go to, well, actually, you know what I'm going to do? So this is the tumbler. Isn't it gorgeous? I mean, I couldn't make it more glitzy if I tried. It's just loaded with glitter, and I hope it comes up on there that you can see that. And it's blue, so I'm going to drop this in there so that that goes with that. I'm going to put this in here. Here's one of the straws for it. And then I had stickers that said gift, but so I'm going to include one of my car freshies with the goddess scent for Shone, so she can put that in her car. I don't know if she'll like it at all, but I think it's adorable, so we're gonna go with it. Maybe she'll give that away too, I'm not sure. So let's get us oh, this is a book. Cute. I'm in the wrong business. I should just create paper clips. They're amazing. Fancy paper clips. Come and get your fancy paper clip from Autumn. There we go. So there's that. So that's going to be the gift portion. I think that's good. So yeah, so that's just the bag. I am going to put some tissue paper on top, but usually when people order local, they're going to gift it, and so I don't want to get too creative with my gifting, because then I don't want them to have to take it apart. Some people will ask me to package it and just so they can just give it, right? A lot of people are adding it to other things, so I tried to find out, but I didn't find out this time. So at least it looks like, if she's just going to hand it off, which is fine, she could do that, but it looks like it's ready to go. All right, guys, that's the video today. I'm going to print my packing slips and take those out, and then and I'm going to put my Restoration Soap and Candle to close up my boxes, and then we'll be on our way. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did like it, please leave your comments below on your favorite Halloween candy, because I'm dying to know. And then also share, comment, subscribe, all the things. Thanks so much. Have a great day. God bless.